Okay, so we're now ready to get on to doing the shades or the washes, whatever way you want to call them. I've gone round each of the boats and just tidied them up where they need tidying up. And now we're going to go in with the Nuln Oil and start doing the shading. And I'm going to use quite a bit of it. I'm going to use the Nuln Oil to get my black line down between the oars. I'm going to avoid the red, or at least I'm not going to go over the red purposefully. I'm just going to, or intentionally, I'm going to try and avoid it. And probably just leave the red with no shade, because we want the red to be quite strong and stand out. Might also just go quickly over the underside as well, just to kind of catch that with a bit of shade on it. Just protects the paint a bit. If anything, I am bad for overdoing it with the shades, but I do like the effect that it gives, and it does give you that outline look. It's nice to have, where it flows into the cracks and the joins between surfaces. I'm not going to go over the metal with this. I'm going to use something else for that. I do have quite a few of the different shades because I like using them. And if you're using a half decent brush, I mean, again, shades tend to flow right up the bristles on the brush. You can get in and dry up at the top, so just remember to wash them out regularly as you're working with them. But I'm just trying to get a nice coverage. If we were just using one shade, like often in models you might just have Agrax, Earth Shade, and just go over everything with that one. It's a lot quicker. But we're going to use a couple of different, or maybe 3 different shades, so I'm just trying to be a bit careful with it. And you'll notice down the edge of the deck there that because I'm using quite a small brush, I'm actually able to get a bit of an outline appearing. You can see there how the Nuln Oil just generates that little dividing black line between the different surfaces, which is nice to have. A little set of stairs, and then the metal grating. Again, get the nice little highlight, well, not the highlight, the outline around it, if we're careful there. Okay, so that would be one, and then you can just let that dry and move on to the next one, which I'll carry on doing and then come back for the next stage.